This is Code.org. I'm currently working on course 3, and on course 3 I'm on lesson maze, or the lesson the maze. All right, let's see. Get the zombie to the sunflower quickly. Can you solve the puzzle in fewer than 11 blocks? So if we take a look at this, we have 1 block on the screen. Oh yeah, win, run, true. And now we need out of 11. So we can use 11 more, and we need to get over here to the sunflower. Let's see. So I'm going to do, there's 2 ways to do this actually. I'll do the longer way first. So I'm going to do it move forward. And then once I move forward, I'm going to turn right. And then I want to move forward a bunch, I can tell. Okay, let me hit run and see where that gets me. Oh, I'm getting there. So I'm going to move forward again. Then I'm going to turn left. Let's see. Let me hit run. And if you ever want to see one step at a time, it's super handy just to hit step, and you can watch how your code is working. Okay. Well, now I'm going to start moving forward again. Notice, though, I'm about to run out of blocks. This isn't going to get me there yet. Whoa, and I only have 11 already. So, I'm going to have to use this pink block which says repeat. So, instead of putting move forward here 4 times, I'm going to not do that. I'm going to just put it once and get rid of these. Click this down and put a 4. Because any code inside of this pink block will get repeated now 4 times. So this code should make me move forward, turn right, and then move forward once. Zoop. Anything inside this like pink mouth thing. Once, twice, 3 times, and 4. Once I move forward 4 times, it would run any code attached to the block below. Okay, so now if I attach this stuff, that will happen next. Alright, but I can already see I'm repeating a step again. You see this move forward? I don't need to write it so many times. I can just use a block and move 1 move forward into here, and it looks like maybe 4 steps. Let's try. Oh, and we're almost there. So now we could try turning left, and then repeat again. So I'm gonna turn right, repeat 4 times, move forward, turn left, repeat 4 times, and then I think this one might be 3 times, move forward. Let's see. We did it! Woohoo! I want to show you one other way real quick, how you could do this with even less lines. You could use a repeat inside of a... Oh no, here's what you could do. You can do a repeat inside of a repeat. So, notice... Whoops. There we are. These 2 chunks of code are actually the same. Move forward 4 times, turn left. Move forward 4 times, and then turn left. So if I wanted to do that twice, and they were right in a row here, I could actually put a repeat inside of a repeat. So I can take this repeat block, put this code in it, and now what the computer should do, I'll walk through. Step, move forward, turn right. Now I'm gonna do repeat twice. So all of this code in here is going to happen twice. So I'm going to, now it says, okay, I'm going to do all this twice. And then the computer says, oh, I need to move forward once, 4 times, twice, 3 times, 4 times. And now I should turn left. Because it moved forward 4 times, it drops below and turns left. Now I hit the bottom of this repeat block and it says, okay, so I ran all that code once. Oh, I need to start over again because I need to do it twice. Okay, second time. Oh, I need to move forward 4 times. And now I should turn left. And then I will run the code below. But both ways are correct, and we'll learn more about repeat blocks in repeat blocks as we go. Awesome. Onward!